universe is marvelous. Just look at the sky. Huge planets, bright stars, vast galaxies, massive clusters. It just fills us with tremendous amazement. In the last century, our exploration of the cosmos has reached unprecedented depths. From the first echoes of the Big Bang to the accelerating expansion of space, from dark matter and dark energy to ripples in space-time itself. Yet, with every answer, deeper questions have arisen. How far are we in understanding our universe? What lies at its beginning? Are there limits to knowledge, observation, and even comprehension? Is the astonishing order of the cosmos merely accidental? Or does its beauty, fine-tuning, and mathematical elegance point toward a deeper intelligence and purpose, as some of the greatest scientific minds have reflected across generations? To explore these profound questions, Bhaktivedanta Institute invites you to an extraordinary voyage through our cosmos, where some of the world's most brilliant scientific minds will share their insights and discoveries, including Andrei Linde from Stanford University, John H. Schwarz, theoretical physicist, Caltech, USA, Wendy L. Freedman from the University of Chicago, Ofer Lahav from University College London, and many more leading thinkers from across the globe. This is a space for rigorous science, open inquiry, and meaningful dialogue, where curiosity meets humility. Welcome back to your own astonishing home, the universe. Join the voyage. Stay amazed.